Hello, my name is Erik Panzar and I'm a solutions engineer here at Emerson. Today, I'm going to show you how to install all three Rosemount 3408 level transmitter antenna types into your application. For the flange process seal antenna, simply mount the flange onto a correctly sized nozzle and push the bolts through the holes. Then, you simply need to tighten the bolts with nuts according to the torque specifications. For the lens antenna, apply sealant or suitable gasket according to the specifications in the manual. Then, mount the transmitter on your tank. Lastly, for the antenna for atmospheric temperature and pressure, start by bolting either your own or the optional Rosemount bracket mount to its final position. Then, place the device in the bracket and tighten it. To improve field access to wiring or to better view the optional display, it is possible to rotate the transmitter housing. Loosen the set screw, rotate the transmitter housing to the desired position, and then retighten the set screw. It's that simple. Now you know how easy it is to install the different Rosemount 3408 antennas. If you have any questions, please reach out to your nearest Emerson representative.